All these metaphors have been used before. Your eyes like pools, your gold hair pure. Our love is a leaky faucet, seeping out all that matters. Romance disappeared. In your eyes shine the stories of our love. It's a tale I wouldn't mind being told over and over and over and over again. Our love is a starving child reaching out to cure his hunger. Fire dying down. Green your eyes hide the stories always told. Stagnation growing strong, love growing just as old. Will it grow stale, just like our parents' romance was? Our passion fades away. Can no one find the cause of this curse on our souls? It's getting worse. Please fill the hole where our love used to be. Cards on this old table. Are we able to rebuild this love, or should we cut our losses and run? Our eyes are the gateways to our souls, and when we gaze in one another's, it's only ashes at the core. 'Cause this green feeling in my chest makes me long for something greater. When your head's upon my breast, I'm still feeling so alone. Do we fall out of love as easy as we once fell in? Could we move on, try something new, try it again? Green your eyes, how these stories always told. Stagnation growing strong, love growing just as old. Will it grow stale, just like our parents' romance was? Our passion fades away. Can no one find the cause of this curse on our souls? It's getting worse. Please fill the hole where our love used to be. Oh, these tired eyes are searching for much more. A heart who merely longing for what's pure. Is it still love? Though it's not like it was before. When we were young. When we were young.